Aku akan tip siapang cumi. Jakrem 4. Bapak nom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor kapati CCTV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ïingsah University, Meghalaya.
Kadorba Shnong Jakrem lingbau ba Pascal walang kalpentip pakawai kalong kami kabalano kerta kabaltip kerteng kum kakong Joit Kharlyngdoh kabalah nyau pun rius nam kerta na Shnong Jakrem Southwest Kasil District kelaja nalaying nadu ka South Trek naitung aja pun riu hakapur kumba lai baji no paisngi lapentip bahakapur bakaja kakong Joit kakup dak mo bat kasem dak jang kersya Kadar bas Shnong Jakrem kelakarpat ihpat ba baladadon gibayo I nelam ya kani kalong kami kin sengobha ban pentip sya orang bas Shnong ka Jakrem neven telefon ha mobile number pranyo hinyo sawi r pra lai hinyo not hinyo r khandai san pra lani khandai lai riu not san not khandai sound riu
nga menteri yang kesang Jakrem ba Pascal walang nah kwa pan pentip pajba ba kakong Joit Kharlyngdoh kabalan riu panya pun riu snem kerta kabana ka Shnong Jakrem kelaja nadu kasau tarik manai banyo arjar pun riu ha kapor han riu baji janmit bat kaklem pan Ïingsah hadu mentah ha kapor makaja kelatap mo da kajany kerja pat kapong ru ya kijuti siliang da kawai karong pat siliang da kawai karong kumta mi bu ya kene kajing kerpat ladadon mayu I nelap hadu nelap sobha pan pentip ya ngi ka Shnong.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shnong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.